painting?
Castle!
That's right, we're going to be painting Peppa Pig's castle.
Yeah.
But first things first, I want to say
And Peppa Pig's queen castle.
But first things first, we want to say rest in peace to Grandpa. You know, he passed away a few weeks ago.
And we want to, and since he's dead, we're going to do a video for him.
Yeah, we'll probably do it. Maybe we'll like fly a kite or something. We'll make a kite and we'll fly it.
Oh, I have an idea. Maybe we can draw like what are they called again?
Rainbow or something?
Yeah, rainbow, and then we can put it on next to his gravestone.
Oh yeah, we can do that too. We'll do that, right?
Like they did in the movie of that movie.
So guys, they're talking.
Huh? Oh, we're talking?
Yeah, guys, it's like a monkey meeting.
Alright, so what we gotta do is we're gonna need the Peppa Pig's castle, which we got here. We got this from, where we get this from? Michael's? I think we got this from Michael's. They have a whole section of things that they made out of wood and the owls. We're gonna need some paint.
We got this from a long time ago.
Yeah.
And we got some palettes. We got paint brushes. So let's go over the colors.
And here's a YouTube channel.
So we got
I'll
red.
say it in a song. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple.
He almost forgot. He was like, what was the colors again?
Yeah, because I only like them in color order. That's how I know it. Red, orange.
Oh, man.
Yellow, green, blue, and purple. Now, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple.
What colors are left? What colors we got left?
Pink and black and gray and white.
Alright, so yeah, these are our paint colors. These are acrylic paint. So we're going to be using this to paint. Also, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this castle, we'll open it up. It opens up like that. You have different compartments. Let me face it down like this so you can see.
And we think, you see that part with the window? That's the dungeon.
Yeah, it could be a dungeon or something, right? So you can put it anywhere.
Yeah, I think it's a dungeon. Yeah,
alright, so
it's a dungeon to me, I think.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to unscrew this so that way Kevin will have one and Ava will have one.
Ooh, that's
and then from there, we'll put the paint and we'll start painting.
Daddy, you can paint with mine, okay?
Okay. Alright guys, so now that we separated, we unscrewed it. So now Kevin's gonna get one and Ava's gonna get one. So first we're gonna probably paint the front. So Ava wants the one with the door. Kevin's gonna get the one.
This is so rad.
He's gonna get this piece. Ava's gonna get this piece.
Hi guys, I am a castle.
Alright, so now we gotta put our colors.
I'm a castle.
It just so happens. Are you gonna try it too? Go ahead.
Hi, I'm a castle.
We're castles. This is a castle video.
I'm not a castle. I'm Ava.
I guess you can't beat him, join him. This is my castle too.
I'm a castle too.
Alright, so what we're gonna do now, we got our palettes, we got our paintbrushes. Ava wanted the purple one, he wanted the blue one. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna put.
Ooh, I wanna try. This is gonna be fun. Whoa, that looks so cool.
So we'll keep it the same. So we'll do blue. So let's put that to the side.
I don't know. Can you open that for me? I don't know. Alright guys, now that we're finished, we're gonna start painting the castle.
Yep, now they could get to the painting. Uh-oh. Let's see. What color you guys gonna start with?
Blue?
You gonna start with blue? What color you starting with?
We're gonna start with our favorite colors.
I know you like purple. Oh, you going orange. Let me see, what you call it orange? Ooh, that's such a pretty color. You're doing blue. That's cool. So Kevin, why'd you pick? What design you're making on your castle?
I don't know yet.
You don't know yet? Cause I see blue like water, then I see white.
I need beige if I'm making a beach. I need beige.
What about you, Ava? Why you choose those colors?
Wait, how do you make beige?
You trying to make a rainbow? So your design is a rainbow.
How do you make beige?
Let's see if I remember. I haven't done it in a long time. I know it's white. I'm trying to remember if it's white and orange. If I'm gonna get let's see. Nope.
How are we gonna get it done?
I don't remember how to do it. I don't know what I'm making.
You just put it right.
What happened?
Ooh, that's actually kind of pretty.
Look, it's all on me too. See? Look.
I didn't even get any on me. Yeah.
It's coming out nice. I like it.
You like mine?
Cool.
Kind of do it.
Use me as a brush.
Ava, paint Daddy's hands.
Okay.
Oh my God. What am I? Hey, you supposed to be painting that? Not my hand. I gotta get a tissue. I don't even know what to do now.
Oh, Daddy, I know what you can do. Rub your hand on the castle. Daddy, rub your hand on the castle. Daddy, excuse me, Daddy, rub your
I'll be
hand.
washing my hands for hours.
Wait.
Is this even washable or is it permanent? They don't even tell you. Alright guys, so this is their crazy looking design of a castle. We'll see how, we'll see how Peppa Pig likes it later, right?
Yeah, we didn't even ask Peppa Pig.
We'll probably, they're probably gonna finish the inside of it. But other than that, we are done for now.
Bye!
Bye.
So make sure you guys like and subscribe to our channel.
Yeah.
What else we want to say?
And please share with your friends.
Share with your friends.
And
That's
press
right.
the YouTube button and press
Yes.
and don't like it.
Oh, we move it so they can see you.
Press the thumbs down.
No, make sure you guys do the thumbs up.
Even if you don't like it, still do a thumbs up.
That's
And
right.
don't forget to
No,
Make sure y'all subscribe to our channel.
No, always the thumbs down.
We did post videos for
Always
the
the
last
thumbs
3 weeks.
okay?
Yeah,
Always the thumbs down,
Yeah, we
okay?
didn't post for 3 weeks.
Always
You know, we want to say,
a thumbs down, okay?
we want to say rest in peace to, well, my father, but their grandpa. So we want to say we are out. So we are out. 1, 2, 3. All of this mess we gotta clean up. 1,